Alright, let's test the cruising on this. Don't mind the cracking sound. Okay, so far so good. Put the windows up a little bit. Backfired. I don't know if that was because it was lean but we'll see on the log. Let's try another second gear. Ooh, that felt nice. That turbo sound at the end, it just came out of nowhere because the first time I heard it was yesterday. Let's go to Mexico real quick so I can do a third gear pull. So I'll see you guys in Mexico. Alright, so we arrived in Mexico. Let me show you guys the frontal view. Alright, so this is a second gear. Let's see here. Second gear. Felt kind of weak. Let's try a third gear. I feel it's a little bit weird. Just need a tuning adjustment probably after sending the log. So yeah, it's kind of missing. We'll see right here. First gear feels good, and then when I shift it kind of slows down. So let's just go back to America real quick to check the logs. So just gotta send the logs over, tune it, and then hopefully it starts working, no misfire. And then I can show you guys a real pull and probably some races in Mexico. Some 600-700 horsepower cars, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching, and if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and if you liked it, just like it. Until next video.